How to buy Bitcoin on Revolut. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to buy Bitcoin on Revolut. So in order to buy Bitcoin on Revolut, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So basically to buy Bitcoin on Revolut, you have to first of all log in into your Revolut account, and from the home page itself, you have to go ahead and tap on the stocks icon located in the bottom left hand side corner of your screen. And that's going to take you to this page where you have to click on the invest icon located in the top left hand side. Next you have to select the asset that you wish to buy. Since we are buying Bitcoin, so select the Bitcoin. Now it's going to take you to the info page where you can go and see the market order and all that, and in order to continue the procedure, click the buy button in the top left hand side corner. Then you need to select the network type or the method of buying, to enter in the exact amount that you wish to buy, all that information, link your payment method and all that. And in order to confirm the transaction, click on buy now button. Next interface, you have to go ahead and review the information one more time. If you're sure about it, then click the buy now button, and after that you've successfully bought Bitcoin on Revolut. So in this way you can buy Bitcoin on Revolut. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.